Hello, gardening friend. Do you have all the seeds you need for this season? Or are you like me, a seedaholic, and you can always use a few more? If so, Ray over at Praxis YouTube channel has got a seed shop that you're going to love. Ray is a gardener first and also a YouTuber, and now he has a seed shop that he sells seeds for 75 cents a pack. And I'm going to read you some of his frequently asked questions so you can learn more about his company and why it's a good option for ordering seeds. I've ordered from Ray and he has great seeds. He doesn't have a lot of selection, and that's a good thing because what Ray does is he gets seeds that are from tried and true varieties so that you will be guaranteed, well, not guaranteed, nothing's guaranteed in this life. You will likely get very good crops from the varieties that he has selected for us. I do have this video indexed, so if you want to skip a section, you just jump through to the next section. Alright, let's go look at his seeds. Here is Ray's main page with this little doggy rascal. Ray has rescued some dogs and has pets, and he also has farm animals that he treats as pets. Those animals are very blessed to have a life with Ray, that's for sure. If you haven't seen his YouTube channel, go ahead and click down here. I'll open this link in another tab so I can get back here. But here is his YouTube channel. I love his videos. He's very laid back, and he has great information on gardening and great information on living life. Ray actually started organic gardening due to a medical condition that he needed to have a lot of help from, and he was able to help himself by growing organic food and eating organically. So he's got a lot of wisdom, a lot of experience in a lot of areas of life. So let's get over to his seed shop. Actually, first of all, I'm going to show you some of his frequently asked questions. Question: are your seeds heirloom? All are heirloom except bodacious sweet corn, which is a hybrid. Are your seeds GMO, genetically modified? Absolutely not. No seed site in USA is allowed to sell genetically modified seeds. Generally, only farmers can purchase GMO seeds from the manufacturer under strict control. Are your seeds organic? Yes. All seeds sold at Little Shop of Seeds are grown 100% organically. Question: why are your seeds so cheap? Are they old? Seconds? All seeds sold by Little Shop of Seeds are the freshest seeds available with an excellent germination rate. The low price is possible due to generic packaging. All packets contain as many or more seeds than any other seed site, yet we do not print up fancy labels or instructions. Our low price equates to more savings for you. That is how we do business. Question: where is my order? Okay. Once your order is placed and paid for, you will receive a verification email. Shortly after this, your order will ship. At that time, we will dispatch an email to you which contains your tracking number. This number will enable you to follow your goodies from us to you. Question: my tracking number says my package was delivered, but I didn't receive it. Will you send a free replacement? Answer: no. Question: why not? We are a Little Shop of Seeds, not Little Shop of Postal Service. If you have delivery issues, please direct your inquiry to the company that performs this task. We do not accept responsibility for errors made on behalf of our postal service, just as they are not responsible for errors made by us. Question: I emailed you with gardening questions. Why didn't you answer? Little Shop of Seeds sells inexpensive, high-quality, organically grown garden seeds. We do not offer gardening advice or any other communications other than concerns about products or orders. For all other concerns, please contact me, Ray, on my YouTube channel. I will be very happy to help you there. Can I purchase without a PayPal account? Absolutely. During the checkout phase, you'll be given a choice to use your PayPal account or credit debit card. PayPal is merely the payment processing agent. No PayPal account is needed. Can I order through the mail? Yes. Contact Ray at that address. Okay, great. All right. He's got 2 pages. And like I said, he has the most common things that people in a home garden especially are going to plant. Ace tomato, alfalfa sprouts, American flag leek, arugula. I would order arugula, but I've got lots of seeds from other years that I've let them go to seed. I did order some alfalfa sprouts last time I ordered from Ray, so I'm not going to go ahead and order that. Some big Boston bib lettuce, eggplant, zucchini, blue curled scotch. I went too far. Blue Lake pole bean, bodacious sweet corn, Boston pickling cucumber, broadleaf sage, Brussels sprouts. I'm going to go ahead and order some Brussels sprouts because they are awesome. Tall, prehistoric looking towers filled from the top to bottom with tender, delicious morsels. Saute in a bit of butter with a dash of salt and pepper for a summertime flavor sensation. Add a couple handfuls in your beef stew. 250 seeds, so I'm going to add that to the cart. Boom. And I'm going to continue shopping, so let's go back to the page. Okay, there's lima beans, butternut squash, California wonder pepper, catnip, cayenne hot pepper, Chantilly red core carrots, 4 to 5 inches long, a couple of inches thick. You know, I might try those because our soil does tend to be hard underneath. So I'll go ahead and get a pack of those. We're gonna go back. Okra. I've already got okra this year. Marigolds, Cracker Jack marigold. You know, I might go ahead and get marigolds. So I'm not sure that I have seeds. I don't think I do, actually. So yeah, these are great for pollinators, and they say a lot of insects don't like marigolds, so they're good to plant near things that you want to keep insects away from, harmful insects. Go add that to the cart and continue shopping. Oops, I forgot to say boom. Okay, here's some crimson clover. I got that ordered last time I ordered from Ray too. Easter egg radishes are always fun. French breakfast is always good. My favorite radish. Gourmet lettuce mix. I do need some lettuce. Go ahead and order that. 1,000 seeds it says. I'm gonna go ahead and get some green leaf lettuce as well. Add that to the cart. Boom. I'm gonna try this cantaloupe too.
Are we in it?
You are at the moment.
Hi.
Here's my grandkids. They came in to say hi and good morning.
And cook some bacon. Yeah, take a steak.
Add that to the cart. Continue shopping. Some Italian basil, Italian parsley, oregano, jalapeno hot pepper, green beans, cilantro. I want to get some cilantro. Ray's cilantro always looks so good. I want to try what he grows. Right, add that to the cart. Little finger carrot. I'm going to try some of these carrots as well. Add to the cart. Boom. Continue shopping. Okay, let's go to page 2. Swiss chard, sunflower, asparagus. I'm going to try some of this. It's called Mishihelia, Asian cabbage. Ray says it's easy to grow and it's very good to eat, so I'm going to try it. Add to the cart. Boom. Nantes carrot. I've ordered that last time from Ray. Noble giant spinach. And try some spinach. Gonna add that to the cart. Boom. And here's some tomatoes. Ray does have a few tomatoes for our enjoyment. Straight 8 cucumber. Sugar baby watermelon. Sugar pumpkin. Sweet banana pepper. You know, I'm gonna try sweet banana pepper. Someone is saying that is their most prolific pepper, so I'm going to try that. Red Marconi peppers, I tried those before. They were really good. White icicle radish, they're always good. Alright, that's it. That's Ray's complete site. Then I can go up to my cart and see what all I ordered. I ordered all that stuff, and the total came out to $6. And then he's got, I think, like a $4 shipping or something like that. So came out to $8.25 subtotal, and I won't bore you with putting in my credit card numbers and stuff like that. Okay, thanks Ray, love it. The goal of my channel is to give you information you can use to help you become a better gardener. Let me know how I'm doing in the comments below, and if you're not subscribed, why not? It's totally free. So go ahead and subscribe and click that bell so you get notified and don't miss anything. And even more than subscribing, I would like you to click the like on this video, because that lets YouTube know that this video needs to be shared out, and it forces them to share it out. So that's the most important thing to do if you have a YouTuber that you want to help their channel grow so they can keep bringing you content. I'm going to leave a link up here if you'd like to look at a video I made of some other small seed companies, seed sellers, seed companies, mostly YouTubers who I know who sell seeds. And over here I'll put a video up that you can watch, which is a video that YouTube says you will like. Right? Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. See you again real soon.